If your online presence looks like a ghost town, you're missing out on all the fun. Think of your website as your own special spot on the internet. You can use free tools like WordPress or Wix to build it, much like using Lego blocks to create something cool. Next, dive into social media, your digital playground. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are where you share fun stuff and chat with friends. Create an account and start sharing pictures, videos, or messages. Now, let's talk SEO. Imagine it's like placing your book in the right spot in a library. Use special keywords in your website content so people can find your site easily on Google. Create cool content that people will love. Use tools like Canva to make your stories, videos, and pictures look amazing. Don't forget to email your friends. Collect email addresses and send updates using tools like MailChimp. It's like writing letters to keep everyone in the loop. Keep your social media alive by posting regularly. Use hashtags to get noticed and tools like Buffer to schedule posts so you never miss a beat. Finally, join online groups that share your interests. It's like joining a school club, but way cooler. And there you have it, your step-by-step guide to building your website and sharing it with the world. Let's get started.